Hello my dear student, hope all of you are fine and safe. Today we will continue to solve the final revision. Open your final revision page 7. We start with addition. Addition, what's mean by addition? Addition means we put two numbers together, okay? The first question here, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 in addition, as we know a lot of times we put the big number in our mind and small number in our finger. 4 plus 3, which is the big number, primary one? Of course, 4. So we keep 4 in our mind and 3 in our finger and start to count after 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer will be 7. 3 plus 0. We say a lot of times any number plus 0 it will be the same number. So 3 plus 0 it will be equal 3. 15 plus 5. Which is the big number here, primary one? 15, of course 15. So we keep 15 in our mind and 5 in our finger and start to count after 15. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So the answer will be 20. 6 plus 5. Of course 6 is the biggest number, so we keep 6 in our mind and 5 in our finger and start to count after 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer will be 11. 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3, which is the big number? Of course it's 17. So we keep 17 in our mind and prepare 3 fingers. After 17, 18, 19 and 20. So the answer will be 20. 11 plus 2. We keep 11 in our mind and 2 in our finger and start to count after 11. After 11, 12, 13. So the answer will be 13. 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4. Of course 12 is the biggest number, so we keep 12 in our mind and 4 in our finger and start to count after 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer will be 16. 5 plus 1. After 5 it will be 6. 13 plus 4. 13 in our mind and 4 in our finger. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer will be 17. 6 plus 9. Of course 9 is the biggest number, so we put 9 in our mind and 6 in our finger and start to count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer will be 15. 14 plus 5. 14 in our mind, 5 in our finger and start to count after 14. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the answer will be 19. 8 plus 2. 8 is the biggest number, so we keep 8 in our mind and 2 in our finger and after 8, 9 and 10. So the answer will be 10. 12 plus 8. 12 in your mind, 8 in your finger. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the answer will be 20. 4 plus 9. Of course 9 is bigger than 4, so we keep 9 in our mind and 4 in our finger and start to count after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer will be 13. 9 plus 3. 9 is the biggest number, so we keep 9 in our mind and 3 in our finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer will be 12. 7 plus 7, they are the same, so we keep 1 7 in our mind and another 7 in our hands. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer will be 14. 14 plus 0, as we say any number plus 0 it will be the same number without thinking. So 14 plus 0 it will be 14. 16 plus 2. 16 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 16, 17, 18. So the answer will be 18. 0 plus 10 it will be the same number, so it will be 10. 8 plus 9. 9 is the biggest number, so we keep 9 in our mind, 8 in our finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer will be 17. 10 plus 10. one 10 in our mind and another 10 in our finger. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 and 10, it will be 20. 5 and 5, we have 5 finger and 5 fingers, so we have 10 fingers, so the answer will be 10. 8 plus 3, 8 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, so the answer will be 11. 14 plus 4, of course 14 is the biggest number, so we keep 14 in our mind and 4 in our finger. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, so the answer will be 18. Turn the page primary 1, open your final revision page 8. Here we will have a quick revise on keywords of addition. They are both sum, total, all together, okay? Here we say to me, Mona has 6 poles and her brother has 5 poles. How many poles they both have? The keyword here, both, okay? I want to know the total amount of balls that Mona has with her brother, so I put 6 and 5 together. So 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, we keep 6 in our mind and 5 in our finger and start to count after 6, 6, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So the answer will be 11 balloons, okay? The second question say to me, Ahmed has 7 flowers and his friend has 4 flowers. How many flowers do they have? Both have. Okay? The keyword here, both. I want to know here also the total amount of flowers that Ahmed has with his friend. Okay? So we put 7 plus 4, 7 in your mind, 4 in your finger, and start to count after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer will be 11. The third question say to me, Nada has 7 LE, her father gave her 5 LE, find the sum of money she has. The keyword here is sum, okay? 7 plus 5, we keep 7 in our mind and 5 in our finger and start to count after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the answer will be 12. There are 8 boys. 8 boys. 2 more boys came. We have 8 and 2 more boys came. How many? Find the total number of boys. The total number of boys here 8 plus 2. So 8 in your mind, 2 in your finger, and 8 plus 2 it will be 10. Open your final revision, page 9. In subtraction, as we know in the class, we count from small until we reach the more. Okay? We count, we close our hands and count from small number until we reach a big number. 9 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we count from 5 until we reach a 9. 9 minus 5, it will be, give me 4 fingers. So the answer will be 4. 7 minus 2, after it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer will be 5. 4 minus 1, we count from small until we reach the more. After 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 3. 6 minus 5, we count from small until we reach the more. After 5, 6. So it will be 1. 2 minus 1, we count from small until we reach the more. After 1, it will be 2. So it will be 1 finger. 8 minus 8, it will be 0. 3 minus 2, we count from small until we reach the more. After 2, it will be 3, so it will be only 1 finger. Okay? 13 minus 9, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer will be 4. 17 minus 13, we count from 13 until we reach 17. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer will be 4. 8 minus 5, we count from 5 until we reach 8. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 5 will be 3. 10 minus 4, we count from 4 until we reach 10. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer will be 6. 9 minus 2, we count from small number until we reach the big number. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer will be 7. 2 minus 2, it will be 0. 12 minus 5, it will be after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer will be 7. 3 minus 1, after 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 2. 10 minus 1, we count from 1 until we reach 10, so the answer will be 9. We count from 15 until we count from 9 until we reach 15. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so the answer will be 6. 7 minus 6, we count from 6 until we reach 7, so it will be 1. 14 minus 8, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so the answer will be 6. 9 minus 7, we count after 7, 8, 9, so it will be 2. 19 minus 12, after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, so the answer will be 7. 5 minus 5 equal 0. 20 minus 18, after 18, 19, 20, so the answer will be 2. 15 minus 10, after we count from 10 until we reach 15, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so the answer will be 5. 13 minus 9, we count from 9 until we reach 13, 10, 11, 12, 13, so the answer will be 4. 14 minus 6, we count from 6 until we reach 14. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so the answer will be 8. 12 minus 8, we count from 8 until we reach 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so the answer will be 4. 17 minus 4, we count from 14 until we reach 17. After 14, 15, 16, 17, so the answer will be 3. 16 minus 9, we count from 9 until we reach 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so the answer will be 7. 9 minus 5, we count from 5 until we reach 9. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so the answer will be 4. 20 minus 20, of course it will be 0. 16 minus 7, we count from 7 until we reach 16. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, so it will be 9. 17 minus 12, we count from 12 until we reach 17. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, so the answer will be 5. 8 minus 5, we count from 5 until we reach 8. After 5, 6, 7, 8, so it will be 3. 10 minus 3, we count from 3 until we reach 10. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so the answer will be 7. 4 minus 9, we count from 1 until we reach 4. After 1, 2, 3, 4, so the answer will be 3. 9 minus 0, after 9 minus 0, it will be the same number, so 9 minus 0, it will be 9. 5 minus 5, any number minus itself, it will give me 0, okay, without thinking. 5 minus 5, it gave me 0. Open your final revision, page 10. Here we have a quick revise on subtraction keywords in order to solve the word problem, okay, primary one. As we say in the class, the subtraction keyword, left remainder difference, take away, more than, less than. The first question here say 9 birds on a tree, 1 bird flew. How many birds are left on the tree? Where is the keyword here? The keyword here is are left. Okay? 9 minus 1. The big number here 9. So 9 minus 1 equal. In subtraction we choose the big number to comes first. And in subtraction we count from small until we reach the more. After it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be 8 birds. Mona has 15 books. Ahmed has 10 books. What is the difference between them? The keyword here is the difference. Mona has 15 books, so the big number is 15 minus 10. We count from 10 until we reach 15. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 minus 10, it will be 5. Noah has 8 LE. His brother took 3 LE. How much money remain with her? So the big number here 8. 8 minus 3. We count from 3 until we reach 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 5. Mona had 9 toys. Her sister took from her 3 toys. How many toys are left with her? The keyword here are left. 9 minus 3. The big number here 9 and the small number 3. We count from small until we reach the more. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer will be 6. The last question here say Amr had 13 LE. He bought a toy for 5 LE. Find the money left with them. With him. So we put the big number first. 13 minus 5. We count from small number which is 5 until we reach more which is 13. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer will be 8. Open your final revision page 11 primary 1 here, complete with a suitable sign. We will solve here both of sides, then compare in numbers. The first one here 5 plus 2, as we know in addition, big number in your mind, small number in your finger. So 5 in your mind, 2 in your finger, and start to count after the big number. After 5 it will be 6 and 7, so the answer here will be 7. 3 plus 3, 3 in your mind and 3 in your finger, and start to count after 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 6. 7 and 6. Which is the big number primary one? Of course, it will be 7. So the mouse of crocodile go to haunt 7. Okay? The second one, 7 plus 1. After 7, it will be 8. 4 plus 4, 4 in your mind and 4 in your finger, and start to count after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8. 8 and 8, it will be the same. So the sign will be equal. 5 plus 4, 5 in your mind, 4 in your finger, and start to count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer will be 9. 2 plus 6, 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger, and start to count after 6, 8, 7, 8. So the answer will be 8. Here we have 9 and 8. Which is bigger primary one? Of course, a 9 bigger than 8. So the sign of the mouse of crocodile go to hunter 9. Okay? 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 equal 0. 3 plus 3, 3 in your mind and 3 in your finger, and start to count after 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 6. 0 and 6, which is bigger? Of course, is 6. 7 minus 1. In subtraction, as we know, we count from small until we reach the more. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer will be 6. 8 minus 0, it will be 8. 2 minus 1. After 1, we have here 6 and 8. Which is bigger? Of course, the 8. So mouse of crocodile go to hunt the 8. 2 minus 1. After 1, it will be 2. So the answer 2 minus 1 will be 1. 2 plus 1, 2 in your mind, 1 in your finger, and 2 plus 1 equal 3. 1 and 3, which is bigger? Of course, it will be 3. 9 minus 6. In subtraction, as we say, we count from small until we reach the more. 9 minus 6, we count from small until we reach the more. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer will be 3. 4 minus 3, after 3, 4, so the answer will be 1. 3 and 1, which is bigger? Of course, 3. 8 minus 4, we count from small until we reach the more. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer will be 4. 4 minus 4, it will be 0. 4 and 0. Of course, 4 bigger than 0. Okay? The last question here complete. The first one here, we need number smaller than 8, so it will be 7. The second one here, 2, we need number bigger than 2, of course 3. The third question here, we need number smaller than 5, of course 4. Here he gave me 2 in a digit and I need to write 2 in letters. Okay, so 2. He gave me here 6 in digit and I need to write 6 in letters, so it will be 6. The last one here, he gave me 9. I need number smaller than 9, it will be 8. Open your final revision, page 12. Here he say to me, complete the pattern. Okay, the first question here, 1 become 2 and 2 become 3. So we jump one number, we increase by 1. So after 3, 4, and after 4, 5, and after 5, 6, and after 6, 7, and after 7, 8. The second question here, 9 become 8 and 8 become 7. So we decrease by 1, decreased by 1. So 7 become 6 and 6 become 5 and 5 become 4 and 4 become 3. The third question here, 10 become 20 and 20 becomes 30. So we increase by 10. We increase here by 10. So 30 become 40 and 40 become 50 and 50 become 60 and 60 become 70. Okay? The fourth question here, 100 become 90 and 90 become 80. So we decrease by 10. Decrease by 10. So 80 become 70 and 70 become 60 and 60 become 50 and 50 become 40. Here 5 become 15 and 15 become 25. So here we increase by 10. Okay? After 25, we will be 35 and 35 increase by 10 and become 45 and 45 increase by 10 and become 55 and 55 increase by 10 and become 56. 1 become 3 and 3 become 5. Here we increase by 2 digits. Here we increase by 2 digits. 1 becomes 3 and 3 become 5 and 5 become 7. 7 become 9 and 9 become 11 and 11 become 13. 10 become 11 and 11 become 12. We here increase by 1 digit. After 12, 13, and after 13, 14, and after 14, 15, and after 15, 16. 0 become 2 and 2 become 4. We increase here by 2 digits. Okay, we increase here by 2 digits. So after 4 it will be 6 and 6 become increased by 2 digits and become 8 and 8 increase by 2 digits and become 10 and 10 increase by 2 digits and become 12. 70 become 71 and 71 become 72. Here we also increase by 1 digit. After 71, 72, and after 72 it will be 73. After 73 we increase by 1 digit and become 74, and after 74 we increase by 1 digit and become 75, and after 75 increase by 1 digit and become 76. 91 become 92, and 92 become 93. Here we also increase by 1 digit. So after 93 we become 94, after 94 we become 95, after 95 we become 96, and after 96 we become 97. Okay? 40 become 50, and 50 become 60. Here we increase by 10 digits, increase by 10 digits. So 60 become 70, and 70 increase by 10 digits and become 80. 80 increase by 10 and become 90, and 90 increase by 10 and become 100. 20 become 18, and 18 become 60. Here we decrease by 2 digits. We decrease 2 digits, okay? 16 decrease 2 digits and become 14, and 14 decrease 2 digits and become 12, and 12 decrease by 2 digits and become 10, and 10 decrease by 2 digits and become 8. The last one here, 41 become 39, and 39 become 37. We here also decrease by 2. We here also decrease by 2. So 37 become 35, and 35 become 33, and 33 become 31, and 31 become 29.